A spicy beef and potato hand pie. So in here I just have some ground beef. To that I'm going to add some onion and some cubed potato. So I'm adding a little bit of...
What are you sprinkling in? Wait, you're going way ahead of the class.
Sorry. So a little bit of smoky paprika.
Smoked
nice
sweet paprika,
right?
AKA pimenton.
I said it was a spicy beef hand pie, so a little bit of cayenne pepper.
So cayenne pepper and smoked sweet paprika.
Yep. Generous amount of salt we can just throw in there.
Generous amount of salt.
Because we have both potatoes and some beef, so you want
potatoes absorb salt like a sponge, seriously.
Yeah.
Black pepper too, or no?
A little bit of black pepper, yeah.
A little bit of black pepper as well.
And like you said, these are sort of like give you like an empanada vibe. Like they're kind of, you know. A little bit of tomato paste. Now this does two things. Obviously adds a tomatoey flavor and some acidity, but it also makes everything kind of stick together.
It's
so we can
glue.
Yeah, it's the glue for the potatoes and the beef. Mix that up, and then you can throw those peas in. Those are some frozen peas. About a half a cup goes in there.
There you go.
And then we can turn that off, and it's already ready to go, because those potatoes are going to steam inside of the pie, so you don't have to cook them all the way. So over here I have our round of pie dough.
Yeah,
so
I rolled it out a little.
Yeah, you did a great job, by the way.
Well, thank you.
You're really good at that. So we need to turn our round into a rectangle. So what I'm going to do is just fold over the two sides, just like this, turn it seam side down, and then we're just going to roll it out into a nice big rectangle. All right, so now we cut it into 4 quadrants. So I have 2 squares.
Thank you.
I know
Let's
that
stick to Sesame Street shapes, okay?
2 squares.
We got our squares.
And then we're going to take a little bit of our filling, nice and cool. So just put it right in the middle.
Right in the middle. Yes, sir.
And then...
Is that a good amount or no?
That's a perfect amount, yeah. And
can I be perfect twice for you?
Yes, you can. Look at that. You did a great job.
It was a little too much. Oh, jeez, one too many.
So now we're going to cut off our corners to sort of create that little triangle shape on the envelope. So we're just going to cut off our 2 corners like this. So now we have this sort of shape that looks like a house, which probably has a name, but we're going to call it a house shape. And then we take our filling, or our bottom thingy. Just
a
like
bottom thingy.
Yeah, right. You're doing.
You fold up the bottom floor into the top floor.
Exactly.
Of your little house.
You're one step ahead of me. And then you pull your other flap down. You want to close up the sides.
A solid gold fork, just in time for the Oscars.
Just in time for the big show. The big show. The big game. I kind of call it the big game because for me it is the big game. I don't watch the Super Bowl. And Lady Gaga will be on the Oscars this year, so it's a big deal for me.
Well, yeah, she's nominated, isn't she?
Yeah, and she better win.
Okay, there you go.
Really
and
mad.
she better win or Grant's coming for you.
Yeah. All right, so then we brush our tops of our envelopes with some egg wash.
The filling is really tasty. It's nice and
yummy?
spicy. Yep.
Nice and spicy, a little smoky too. And then I also like to sprinkle them with a little bit of paprika, just so people know these are the spicy ones and not the dessert ones, because you don't want to break into the wrong envelope.
Oh, yeah,
you know?
no, seriously, you don't want to break into the wrong envelope.
Yeah.
The whole system will go crazy. All right, let's tell them about this one so they go online and download this one too.
Yeah, so this one is a chocolate pecan hand pie. So it's kind of like Thanksgiving pecan pie, but there's also a ton of chocolate chips. Let's break into one of them so you can see those guys too. Look at that.
Oh my God, chocolate pecan.
And I just like to garnish those with a little bit of powdered sugar.
Grant, how long do we bake the hand pies?
375 for about 15 to 20 minutes.
That's all it takes? Wow.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. And the envelope, please. The winner is tasty. What is this?
Oh, so I have a little bit of ketchup. Because whenever I have beef, I want ketchup. Okay, so then this one, there's also a smoky cumin sour cream on top.
Oh, all right. I'm like, ketchup. I don't want just ketchup on my hand pie.
Oh,
really?
I do. Yes, I do.
And the winner is Grant with Cutest Snack.